Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful camper comes equipped with an awning, outside shower, bathroom toilet, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, decorative wood plank flooring, bathroom tub shower combo, 2 beds, smoke detector, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, stabilizer jacks, LP leak detector, queen size bed, fire extinguisher, outside gas grill, living area dinette, 3-burner cooktop, living area sofa, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.